Your business may be suffering right now, and you might not even realize it. Ineffective workforce management costs money, time, and even reputation. The top 3 WFM software tools are here to fix this. We'll show you how these tools create perfect schedules, analyze performance, and help prevent team overload. All in one video. Keep watching to learn how these solutions can change your business forever.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of HR and payroll solutions, exploring 3 powerful platforms: Rippling, Deel, and TriNet. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger organization, these tools can transform the way you manage your workforce, streamline your operations, and enhance employee satisfaction. Let's uncover the unique features of each platform and see how they can benefit you. Rippling is an innovative HR and IT management platform that allows companies to manage employee data and workflows seamlessly. With Rippling, you can handle everything from payroll and benefits to device management, all in one place. This integration means less time spent juggling multiple systems and more time focused on your team. Rippling combines HR, IT, and payroll functions into one platform, allowing for a streamlined user experience. This means you can access employee information, payroll, and benefits from a single dashboard, saving you time and reducing errors. With just a few clicks, you can process payroll, ensuring your employees are paid accurately and on time. Rippling automates calculations, tax withholdings, and deductions, eliminating the headaches associated with manual payroll management. Rippling offers an extensive range of benefits options, enabling you to customize packages that meet your team's needs. From health insurance to retirement plans, employees can easily enroll and manage their benefits through a user-friendly interface. Manage employee devices easily, ensuring they have the tools they need while keeping company data secure. Rippling allows you to issue laptops, phones, and other devices while maintaining control over software and security settings. Rippling seamlessly integrates with popular software like Slack, QuickBooks, and Google Workspace, enabling you to centralize your HR tasks and improve communication across departments. Rippling stands out for its comprehensive integration of HR and IT functions. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it ideal for companies looking to simplify their operations while providing excellent employee support. Whether you're a startup or a well-established business, Rippling helps you scale your HR processes as you grow. Deel is a leading global payroll and compliance platform designed for businesses that hire international talent. It simplifies the complexities of managing a remote workforce by ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations while providing a seamless payment experience for employees worldwide. Deel ensures you remain compliant with local labor laws in over 150 countries, taking the headache out of international hiring. This includes tax regulations, contract requirements, and employee rights, ensuring you avoid costly fines or legal issues. Pay your global team in their local currency, simplifying payroll processes and enhancing employee satisfaction. Deel supports various payment methods, including direct deposit and digital wallets, ensuring employees receive their salaries promptly and conveniently. Create and manage contracts tailored to each country, allowing for flexibility in your hiring process. Deel provides templates that comply with local regulations, making it easy to onboard international employees while minimizing risk. Simplify the onboarding process for new hires, ensuring they can start work quickly and efficiently. Deel provides a user-friendly interface for employees to complete necessary paperwork, review contracts, and access company resources. Provide competitive benefits packages to your international employees, helping attract and retain top talent. Deel allows you to offer localized benefits, including health insurance and retirement plans, catering to the specific needs of each market. Track and analyze your international workforce's performance and engagement through Deel's robust analytics dashboard. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions regarding hiring and retention strategies. Deel's focus on global hiring makes it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to expand their workforce internationally. Its commitment to compliance and ease of use allows companies to grow their teams without the typical barriers associated with international employment. With Deel, you can confidently tap into global talent pools and diversify your workforce. TriNet is a comprehensive professional employer organization, PEO, that provides tailored HR solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. TriNet partners with companies to manage their HR needs, enabling them to focus on growth and productivity. TriNet offers personalized HR solutions designed to meet the specific needs of your business, no matter your industry. Whether you're in tech, hospitality, or healthcare, TriNet provides industry-specific expertise to help you succeed. Take advantage of streamlined payroll processing and a wide array of employee benefits, all managed under one roof. TriNet ensures timely and accurate payroll while offering competitive benefits that attract top talent. Invest in your workforce with training programs designed to enhance skills and productivity. TriNet offers various development resources, from leadership training to skill-building workshops, fostering a culture of continuous learning. TriNet helps businesses navigate the complexities of workplace regulations and employee safety, reducing potential risks. This includes access to risk assessment tools and compliance training, ensuring your workplace remains safe and secure. Empower your employees with a self-service portal where they can access their pay stubs, benefits information, and training resources. This not only enhances employee satisfaction, but also reduces the administrative burden on your HR team. TriNet's tailored approach to HR solutions makes it an excellent choice for businesses that want to customize their HR strategies. By leveraging TriNet's expertise, you can reduce administrative burdens and focus on what matters most, growing your business. TriNet's commitment to customer service and industry-specific solutions sets it apart from other PEOs. In today's competitive landscape, choosing the right HR and payroll solution is crucial for business success. Rippling, Deel, and TriNet each offer unique features and benefits that can help streamline your operations, enhance employee satisfaction, and ensure compliance with local regulations. Depending on your business needs, whether it's managing a global workforce, simplifying HR processes, or finding tailored solutions, there's a platform out there that's perfect for you. As you explore these platforms, consider your company's specific requirements, budget, and long-term growth plans. Investing in the right HR technology can lead to improved employee engagement, greater efficiency, and ultimately, business success. If you found this comparison helpful and want to learn more about how these tools can transform your business, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and strategies to enhance your business operations. Let's make your workplace the best it can be.